I'm Dr. Sindisiwe van Zyl, an HIV clinician and a GP, and I'm at a local pharmacy, just like a pharmacy close to you. As an HIV clinician, I'm very accustomed to having discussions about sexual health. But you might be wondering, how are you going to have a discussion about sexual health with your local pharmacist? How to talk to your pharmacist about sex? Well, they have been trained. They are sensitive to the issues around sexual health, so please don't be afraid to speak to your pharmacist. Discussing HIV-related issues can be difficult or uncomfortable to bring up. Use the following guide as a blueprint for how to get the conversation started. Find a PIMART trained pharmacist. Come prepared. Try to make note of anything that comes to mind during your conversation. It's natural to experience feelings of embarrassment when talking about a subject like HIV prevention. Sometimes, the easiest way to manage your embarrassment is to address it directly. Remember that no matter what you tell your healthcare provider, they're not going to judge you. Be direct describing your situation. Explain that you're concerned about being exposed to HIV and want to learn about prevention methods that are right for you. Ask questions. When it comes to your health, there is no such thing as a silly question, so don't be afraid to ask about anything you're unclear on. You may have more questions based on the information you receive from your healthcare provider. Try your best to be as attentive as possible and write down any key points in the conversation as they come up. Review what you've learned. Review the notes you took during your conversation when you're back home. Also, review any other material your healthcare provider may have provided. Follow up. Regardless of your final decision, your healthcare provider can help you schedule any tests or follow-up appointments. If you decide not to use PrEP, your healthcare provider can give you advice on alternative prevention measures. We always recognize and we appreciate patient-doctor confidentiality, and they appreciate it as well. We don't want people to stay at home and not access treatment because they're worried about what people might say. So don't be afraid. Come and see your pharmacist, and even though there's screens and their masks, say what you need to say and they will help you. Find out more at foreachother.org.za. Ask your pharmacist about HIV prevention, testing, treatment, and support.